Looks like Two-Face. She was just trying to get that story on camera.
Yeah. No, I just.
Tell me that drunken story again.
No, I just wanted to see what. Kelly and I, we're wearing matching socks. Not even on purpose. Model your socks. R2D2.
Sexy ankle coming out.
This is the Target version.
Naughty.
Kelly, quit being so slutty and showing your ankles.
Sorry.
Rocky's gonna show us how paintballers do it. You probably can own me, I'm sure.
Diddle diddle up the middle. I'll be doing hand signals behind the stuff. I'm coming around. Over here.
I'll just hide in a corner and wait for you.
You're gonna be the one that.
We'll see. I'm not a great speed softer. Let's see your resting bitch face. Good, got it. Smile. Everyone's gonna think you're serious.
Bandanas.
Did you get one of them bandanas?
Take a bite. I was just taking a little while, had a couple bottles of that Bud Light. If I had money, I'd run down that little machine. Dude, she was ruthless with that when she was Terminator. Okay, it's ridiculous, man. I was a victim. Yeah, I was like, don't just go out and killing everybody. You know, like every other people, she'd sit there, and then like after like 5 minutes, she was, I'm not gonna help if you were.
I felt like if I was able to walk up to you like this.
She was walking around like a weirdo. I'm not working with my partner. So they good food here. Good food here. Oh.
You were going down.
Oh.
Death by rainbow.
Is that your kryptonite? Rainbow balls? Yes. Okay, ready? They have like one game and I'm like,
By you. Shall not pass. Sorry for overshooting. My bad.
3, 2, 1. Okay, that was a selfie of me. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. 3, 2, 1. Okay, got it.
Thank you.
So how do you expect me to fall asleep? I do the things you said to me.